Hi, I'm T.K. McNeil. I'm the Creative Director for CAFÉ Appliances. So welcome to our booth here at KBIS 2026. So really want to kind of tell you about the whole inspiration, everything we were going for in the booth, and then I want to take you around to all of our kitchens and show you some of our favorite things. So first of all, we've gone through a lot of style cycles in the past few years. If you think about coastal grandma, cottagecore, all these different trends. But now the conversation in design is really turning to, rooms, homes that feel like they reflect your personality, right? But when working with clients, that can be challenging because everybody wants that, personal, customized look, but they don't really know what their personal style might be sometimes. So we set out this year to really talk about how to tap into those moments that you want to create in your home. So maybe it's on drawing inspiration from a trip or a memory that you really love, or maybe it's bringing in your connection to nature or something that really soothes you or calms you. Maybe it's about setting an intention for your day, seeding patterns. We know that design can really change our behaviors as well. So that is how we took customization and personalization this year to really show how to make those designs intentional, genuine, and really personalized. So let's get into the kitchens and I'll talk about the inspiration there. So we're in the Postcards from Venice kitchen, and this one is all about wanderlust and bringing those vacation vibes into your home. I took a trip to Venice this past summer and I was so inspired by so much of what they had there in terms of the color palette, the architecture, the gilded finishes. So I wanted to bring that look, but also the feeling that I had there where everything just slows down a little bit. You savor meals and just really spend time with loved ones. So that's something I wanted to recreate in my life. That was the moment I wanted to customize to. So some of the finishes in here, you'll see this palette of terracotta and these soft kind of creamy whites, and then this smoky, deep kind of lagoon green that we've mixed in with it. And then you'll see the wall covering is something we worked on with chasing paper, so it almost looks like a hand-troweled plaster. And then if you see our backsplash, this is a custom backsplash we did with mercury mosaics. It's a different mix of terracotta tones, so it has that really kind of unearthed look to it. And then we have these architectural elements. We always try to incorporate some arches, but this year I wanted something a little unexpected. I found that in Europe, imperfections really give things a unique beauty. So we did kind of this offset arch. And then talk about this light fixture. In Venice, there's so many wonderful glass artisans, so we wanted something with a really artisanal vibe. And then you'll see some of the gilded finishes. We have our beautiful Rejuvenation hardware in here on the cabinets and on our appliances. And so really just bringing that whole aesthetic that gave me that feeling of warmth and love in that trip and bringing it home. So that's the moment we customized to here. So now we're in our greenhouse garden party kitchen, and this is really about botanical drama. I love greenhouses and atriums, anything that has that feeling of indoor outdoor. Overall palette here is a lot of mixes of different tone-on-tone greens. We have our custom wallpaper with chasing paper, and then we worked with Sherwin-Williams on this beautiful green tone that we put on the cabinetry. We have silestone countertops in that same tone. So it really is a drenched look, which allows your eye to move calmly through the space. So then, we have the contrast is very intentional, and so we do that in our polished nickel hardware, which really just pops here. So what I love is the mix in this kitchen of kind of formal in that nickel and then in some of the silver elements, but then it's mixed with organic and those kind of rustic tones. We use a lot of pottery, a lot of warm woods, a lot of warm lighting to really kind of show those two dynamics in one space. Some of the really exciting new features in here as well You'll see our panel ready refrigeration and our panel ready dishwasher, as well as our matte black appliances. That's our greenhouse garden party. So this is where I envision kind of finishing my day and regrounding myself at the end of the day. So it's a very calming space for me. Finally, we're in our Cashmere Breakfast Club. So this is really driving into those trends around cashmere kitchens and that softer palette. But I really wanted it to have a little bit more color, a little bit more vibrant edge. So you'll see we mixed in still some soft greens and blues and even a little bit of like rose and peach tones in here. So the inspiration for this kitchen is, where would you want to start your morning every day? I've been getting up super early just so I can kind of ease into my day. And this is the kind of kitchen where I can feel like your day would gently unfold, right? The kind of kitchen where you set your intentions for the day. Like, I'm gonna work out, I'm gonna eat really healthy. Even if you don't get to it that day, you know, those are your intentions. So it's all about wellness, and it really is the kind of space that it feels like it's perfect weather every day in here. It has this like warm, lit from within glow. So we worked with Sherwin-Williams on this cabinetry color. And then there's a mix of different tones, so you get that little bit of depth in it. Also, there's a lot of texture in this kitchen, which I really love. We worked with Mercury Mosaics again on this backsplash, and there's textural details on some of those tiles. We've got texture on this island, texture on the beautiful arterial stools. So really all those elements that are really touch-worthy. Also this island, the half circle shape, it's just really easy to work your way around this. Again, it's all about softness and comfort in this space. We're seeing a lot of these islands that look like furniture elements as a driving trend. You'll also notice that we mixed metals in here, and they work so well, they all have this warm glow to them. So we have the brushed brass mixed with stainless, and then of course our beautiful CAFÉ copper hardware on all of the appliances. So you can see how that mix really works nicely together, and it gives you little points of interest, customized little moments throughout. So this, I would love to start my day here. I mean, I have started my day here for the past few days, but it's a really warm and inviting space. So that's the whole intention. I hope you love it. Please come see me if you have any questions or just want to connect. I love talking shop, especially with designers, so please come see us.